impunity takes over, the country goes into ruins. The country is now on its worst moment since the history of man was ever recorded. Inflation, high cost of living, no jobs, corruption, hunger. Those are the new songs in the streets. When an empty mind speaks, that can be translated to empty promises. And that is the situation right now in our country. The country is now on its knees and tears. But Zakayo has refused to calm down. We shall not bow, and we shall not surrender to impunity. Zakayo must calm